What's up guys, today's video is on the best smart mirror for the bathroom. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and sorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. HAUSCHEN Smart Mirror. The voice-controlled smart mirror is a great addition. If you are looking for a high-quality LED mirror, HAUSCHEN Smart LED Mirror can be a good choice. You can control the mirror through a voice assistant such as Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, helping you enjoy a hands-free experience. The mirror has several functions that can be controlled individually. It has different keys to change the color temperature, power key, brightness key, anti-fog key, etc. You can easily turn the buttons on and off to control them as needed and save power. The anti-fog function is specially designed for clear image reflections. It's an ultra-thin mirror that's only 1.4 inches deep. Number 2. Bonnlo Smart Mirror. If you want to add a touch of luxury to your bathroom, there is nothing better than choosing an elegant and modern mirror. Bonnlo Smart Mirror is the name given to a modern-style mirror that has no visible screws or switches. Its elegant design adds luxury and beauty to any room you choose to install it in. Its triangular design helps you get detailed views. It is C certified and comes with a sensor switch to turn it on and off. LED lights also have dimming capabilities. You can adjust the brightness by simply pressing the button. Just push a button to get the brightness you want. In addition, the memory function of this mirror allows you to remember the brightness setting every time you turn it on. Now you can also activate the anti-fog switch when needed. If you feel that the fog is bothering you, the anti-fog will dry automatically and allow you to see clearly. Number 3. Butylux Smart Mirror. With so many options on the market, finding a quality smart bathroom mirror can be difficult. Lucky for you, we have one of the best quality silver mirrors that Butylux has to offer. This is a 5mm unbraced silver mirror. This is a high-quality mirror with a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. The aluminum frame is anodized, making it reliable, safe, and durable. 12 volts DC provides constant power with over 86% efficiency. This sophisticated and high-quality mirror can be used in the bathroom, bedroom, or powder room to enhance its appearance. This is a full-touch mirror that provides soft and even light. The color temperature can be changed between 6000 K daylight and 3000 K warm light. Number 4. TATU Smart Mirror. A quality smart control mirror like TATU can be a valuable feature in your bathroom. It has 3 touch buttons to turn on and change the lights. It comes in 3 color temperatures ranging from 3000 K whiter to 6000 K daylight. The brightness of this bathroom mirror can be adjusted from 10% to 100% according to your choice. This high-quality silver mirror is made of 5mm uncoated brass, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Its light is soft and uniform, making it a very effective option. You won't feel any UV rays or glare. The anti-fog function of this courtesy mirror helps you get clear reflections. All you have to do is turn on the switch. The electrical part reaches an IP44 waterproof rating, which allows you to use it with peace of mind in wet environments. In addition, the impact-resistant material allows this mirror light to pass heavy impact, drop, and pressure tests. Number 5. Gesipor Smart Mirror. If you want a high-quality LED mirror, you need to do a lot of research. However, if you are looking for high-quality LED mirror lighting, you can now check out the Gesipor LED bathroom mirror. This is the right light to help you get ready. With the touch of a button, you can adjust the settings and get the perfect color. It has a PVC back panel and an aluminum alloy frame to ensure stability. Our 5mm uncoated mirrors can add value to your home. All you have to do is press and hold the switch for 3 seconds to change the color temperature. It can go from warm light to daylight, so you can change it accordingly. A dimmer can also help you get the exact glow you need for your makeup. This would be perfect for your sink and bathroom. The built-in memory function of this high-quality LED mirror allows you to remember your last settings. The daylight temperature is 6000 K and the warm light temperature is 3000 K. It also has a unique defogger button. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.